Hello everybody and welcome to a new video and welcome to the day today. Today is a beautiful Saturday after a big storm. It was so bad that branches were flying over roads and ended up smashing up cars on my street, at least because we have a big open area across the road, and then we have a gravel road, so it was there was branches all over. Hopefully it's still there when I decide to go outside. And so today we're going to be going to get a new vehicle, because my place has a sidewalk that we ended up bending the rim on in our other vehicle for the business / whatever else we do. So we have to go get a new vehicle. And it's actually, the vehicle we're getting is actually pretty cool. Yeah. So, and it wasn't just the rim. What happened was probably, the rim was bent, so other things happened, which involves our local insurance company. It's a big mess. So we're getting a new vehicle nonetheless, because it was totaled. And yeah. And this is for both for the TV show and for the vlog channel. So me and the actor that plays my dad on the TV show, who also we're in business together. It's a long story. What ends up we'll be filming through it, but it'll be going up on the HQ channel, and it'll also be going up on the TV show. So the HQ channel is probably in the description. And then also, if you're watching on the HQ channel, the TV show should be there somewhere too. So thank you guys, and we'll see you. We'll be right back. I don't think I said that I got a new camera. It has a mic, so it's really weird, so I'm sorry about audio. I don't know how to set it up. And I got another little supply. Sorry, I'm not even in frame because this camera's weird to me. I got this little guy. I don't know what you see here. So yeah, and I don't know why it just cut out on me, but okay, Dante, stay in here. So there was a really bad storm, and it looks like it's clear enough to show you. If Dante can stay in here, it's hard to do this with one hand. There we go. That's what it looks like all the way down there. I can't zoom. There we go. This branch is everywhere. Hello, we're back, and now we're on our way, and I have my staff in the car. So my staff were on holidays, and they forgot the park pass in the rental truck, so we're heading there first. and then we're gonna go get the truck. We have our financial advisor in here with us, and then we also have Dad. Say hi.
Hey.
And yeah, so the weirdest thing happened to me today. I was drinking coffee, and I was like, I'm gonna put in a car mug because there's only certain coffees that I like, and this one was this coffee that we have is kind of gross, but I'm like, I have to drink something for coffee. So then I had to put it in a car mug, and the car mug flipped over when I was trying to close the lid and made a big mess. And it was not a great time at the time, but it ended up being something I'm laughing at now. So at least it wasn't the good coffee. It was just cheap coffee, poorly made coffee. Yeah, I'll see you on the flip side. Okay, so we got the truck. I'll show you it in the next clip when we're at the studio. I'm driving one of the older vehicles home that we owned, and yeah, and then the next one you'll be seeing the new truck that we're gonna be using for the business. So, and for the TV show. So, I'm just gonna go back to the studio now, and we'll see you later. I'm sorry from the camera. And I can't. Oh, next clip we'll be out the studio because I can't film and drive. So, see you then. Okay, so this is it. We're gonna get a wrap put on it. This is the inside. Sorry about hitting the mic. We're gonna get that rip replaced. And then this is what the back looks like. These are seats that come down. Yeah, it's really nice. Dual exhaust. Holds 9,000 pounds. And it cuts out from 8-cylinder to 4-cylinder on the highway. 2013 Chevy Silverado. Okay. We will talk to you guys. Sorry if I can't see what it looks like. We'll talk to you guys at home when I do the final outro and sponsorships and stuff like that. And this is the work vehicle that you're going to be seeing more and more. Okay, take care. Bye bye. So I'm just sitting here editing the video. The camera lighting's going a bit wonky right now. I don't know why. I forgot to mention our sponsor is Rogue Energy. And the respective link and code is in the description to whichever channel you're watching on. Because part of this went on to the HQ channel. And some of this went on to the TV show, technically. So make sure you go check it out and support us. I'm just doing some editing for the TV show right now. So, and if you're watching on the HQ channel, the TV show should be in the description. I don't know. So, yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.